Hello guys, welcome back. Let's check if this iPhone 15 has reverse wireless charging. You can charge this phone using a wireless charger, and I'm going to show you. As you can see, it's charging here on the iPhone 15 Plus. Now let's see if I put the iPhone 15 on it like that, we can charge the second phone. It looks like it doesn't actually have reverse wireless charging. But I can charge the 15 Plus on the wireless charger. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.